Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2019 Honda Civic LX. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in gray. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your sporty front end with chrome accents all around the vehicle. You also got daytime running lights and the trunk release button right on your key fob. But now, why don't we hop inside the Civic and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside, we got our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are trunk release button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom, you do have some nice storage space as well as your trunk button right next to it. And on top, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Here you have your black cloth seating. And now we're going to hop inside. Start this Honda Civic up. So what we're going to do first is take a look on the left side of the steering wheel here. These arrows here will help you navigate through your entertainment display screen that's located in the center of the vehicle, right there. Beneath that, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and this button right here, if we go ahead and press that, that'll help you navigate through your multi-information display right up here. This Honda Civic does only have 673 kilometers, so there's a lot of life for you left. And on the right side, you do have your cruise control settings and the speed settings. Moving on to our screen here, right now we're on audio. If we go ahead and press source, you have your standard AM and FM, of course, choice between USB and Bluetooth. You also have that backup camera, nice and clear. Beneath that is your climate control system, nice and simple. You got these nice clicking dials, driver heated seats, passenger heated seats button. Inside here you do have this nice little storage space. Behind the shifter is your electronic parking brake and your eco mode. And behind that, you got your 2 cup holders and your center console that just slides like that. You can also open that, and that gives you space underneath there. Lastly, glove box. Lots of room in there. Nothing complicated. Let's just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom of the door, you do have some nice storage space. More black cloth seating. And lastly, in the center here, if we pull that down, that'll give you access to a nice little armrest as well as 2 cup holders right in the center there. Let's just put that back. So to go inside, all you got to do is hold this trunk button on your key fob and that'll unlock. Opens just a bit. Lots of room in here for all your essentials. We have the folding seats that do go down in case you need that extra room. And underneath here, you do have your spare tire and all the tools in case that ever goes. So to close up, we're just going to give this a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Honda Civic LX. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and hands-free calling. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.